Hey guys, this is Jared with Profiles That Pop, getting you first impressions in seconds. I give a few top tips in these profile pop-up posts, that's a mouthful, to help as many people as possible. But it's got to be concise and precise, just like your profile. So here's what I'm seeing today for Jeanette. Nice picture. You could remove the background, by the way, and there's an easy tool for that. You might want to add a background photo here, a background billboard or banner, as people might call it, because then once people get to your profile, it gives them a lot more. You know, the whole saying, a picture is worth 1,000, right? Now, three things that I'm seeing right away that I want to go over just as a preview. Your headline, your about section, and competition. So, here's what we're going to talk about. Those three things. Headline. When I see the word at in there, that to me looks like a default right away. And then the point that you're making is a national diploma at the university. What about that? What about that diploma? What did it give you? I don't even know what the diploma is and what you did. So I see down right underneath it, you can see right underneath in a little bit smaller font that you went to the university. So it's obvious that you're either there or you went there. So now you're saying national diploma. Did you receive it? I have a few more questions, and so you're losing out on that. And why? This is why it's so important. All we see about you is a very small picture, your name, which luckily isn't too long, and that leaves a few words of your headline. By you just saying that much, we're not finding out what you're all about and what value you offer. Now, getting into the about section. Experienced, demonstrated history. Okay, when I see those words, I better see proof. I want to see proof, not just those words. And then when I open this up, let's see what we get. Okay, it's crammed in. I don't see a lot of white space. I do see more keywords, SAP, etc., but it's just a bunch of keywords. What have you done with those things? That's my next question. So I want to know the proof. Now, getting into your experience. You have a current position, which is huge. I've talked about that in other profile pop-ups. Now, your responsibilities. When I see that word, I know I've seen that recruiters, they, in a sense, they cringe when they see responsibilities. They want to see results, and so do I. You've got a lot here. It looks nice in terms of spacing, and you got bullets there. That's great. But we want to know more than just the responsibilities and just the duties. Okay, that's where I'm coming from here. Now, looking at your education at the bottom, looks to me like it's 2017, so that diploma, it looks to me like you received it. Again, that's not enough to point out. Then the other thing that I've talked about before, great, by the way, you've got 50 skills, that's great. You can change your URL right here as a bonus, but again, get rid of the competition if you're trying to attract new opportunities. Anyway, I hope that helped for you, Jeanette. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.